Hi, I'm gonna show you some work I've done with Replit. It's a AI tool that helps you in your development efforts to simplify it. So the idea I had to a solution was to have a calendar, and from that calendar you could buy specific dates, and the money that I get from those different dates will be donated to different things related to helping Ukraine. So what we see here is the first page. So the solution is called Days Unbroken, and I've spent about I would say 3 or 4 days in total, and I have, in short, not done any coding. So when I started out looking at Replit, I was primarily looking for their AI agent to help me out and see, what I could do. And looking at that, I soon found out that it doesn't support PHP, which is the language which is native for me. So then I played around with it, but I felt that I'm not getting anywhere. And then I took a step back and I thought, let's see how this would be for a non-programmer. So what they're using is Node and React and TypeScript. So I've worked with product teams who use all of these programming languages, but I've never myself used them. So again, I'm a PHP programmer, but the benefit is that I could push it from the AI perspective, not knowing the actual code. Obviously, looking at the structure and things like that, it's recognizable. So I understand the code. So everything that you see here is built on me. Just asking the AI to build it for me. In some, like in 2-3 occasions, I've gone in and done text changes, and that's what I've done. So let's look at the solution. So the first thing I did is to ask it to make this calendar. So you see that I have different days, and if a date is not claimed, it is not, so nobody has bought it, you can claim it and you see the price. The idea is that the specific days since the full-scale invasion have a premium price. For example, the 1,000 day and other dates as well. So if we take, and the first thing is you can register, and it created the database and everything around it. So that's very good. So let's see. I'll just log in. So the first thing here I see is my profile page, and I can see the dates that I have claimed, the dates that I have bought, and I can go in and look at the details. And this is actually dates or landing pages that you can distribute through social media, for example. If I wasn't logged in, I'll log out and see the 1st of November. You see view details. Of course, I'm not logged in anymore, and now I see the information. I don't have the possibility to edit it. And my idea is that you can have a message saying, this is my birthday, so I bought it in support of Ukraine, something like that. And then you can take the URL and distribute it and show your friends and stuff like that. So I'll log in again. So now I'm logged in. So besides profile, I have updates. This is a blog-like page. I will probably change the names of these menu items as well. And the idea here is that when I've collected a sum of money, I will then support a project supporting Ukraine, and then I'll do some follow up on this page here, so people can see, okay, this is what my money, where my money helped out. And as an admin, I can go in and I can actually edit and change and delete these different blog posts, so to say. In the admin interface as well, I can see the different users and what they own. So I can actually edit the user as well. So I can change name and email address. And see here we have like a couple of different users. In the top here, we have the different dates. So if I'll take, for example, the 15th of October, I can set that to $150. 15th of October, and if I'll go out and see 15th of October, it says $150. So one of the most impressive things about this, obviously everything here is extremely impressive, because I have prompted myself this far, and we have a fully working solution. The thing here is I prompted it to say, okay, I want to have a Stripe integration, and it said, okay, let me think, and then it started working, and it came up with a full-blown Stripe integration. So I can fill in. This is a test Stripe account. So this card number you see here is it's a test MasterCard number, so it won't work if you test it. So you can't buy stuff. So what I'll do is I write in, and then I'll pay now. And what you see here now, so this is a back purchase this date, 15th of October. But if I go into my profile now, I should probably see the 15th of October as well. And if we just take a quick jump over to Stripe, I'll do a refresh. And now we're in Stripe. And what we can see here is earlier today I made a €1,000 payment, and just now I did another nearly 150, because Stripe do take part of the amount as well. So and this is in test mode again. So as you can see, I have created a fully working solution, a 360 fully working solution which more or less does everything I want. I'm gonna put some more work into this to make it better and to have some type of better welcome screen here, but you get the idea where I'm heading, and the fundamentals are all in place. And again, I think from a product management perspective, this is really impressive. You can now take an idea and build a proof of concept and even launch it. And if you see that it gets traction, you can then go to your development department or the tech people and say, okay, or you should do that before, obviously, to make sure that the tech actually is okay. But you have a great head start here, because then you start iterating from a more or less working product, instead of building something for weeks and finding out that this isn't working out as we expected. We'll do a rollback or we'll cancel it. So here you hit the road quick with having tools like Replit. So I think it will be making a fundamental change in how product development departments work together with tech, because tech can then focus on deeper issues, creating better products without having to create all of these standard components that are needed to create this type of solution, which is usually quite time consuming, but you've done it like 50 times before. So Replit and AI tooling in development will for sure change tech and development, but also product management. And I hope you stay tuned for seeing Days Unbroken when I launch it, and I hope you support it as well, because the money will be sent to help Ukraine. Thank you for watching.